This video is for everybody that would like to go and participate in a free airdrop. There's nothing to pay for in this airdrop. All of them are testnet or to sign up or free. So make sure to stick until the end and we jump onto the first one and we're talking about Skate Park. Now, what is Skate? Well, Skate empowers up to around 1,000 of chains with one state. It has quite a nice amount of followers over on Twitter, and it came out not too long ago. So we are at the very early stages, and this is allowing application layer that empowers up to over 1,000 chains with one state. Is backed by Nomad Capital, is backed by Heskey Capital, Spark, Mantle, EcoFund. So we got a lot of big names over here, and it's looking really promising. So what are we doing? What do we need to do for this one? You can go and read all the white papers and everything else over here. But the first thing, and everything will be in the description down below, is to simply sign up. There is my referral link, so thank you very much if you would like to utilize it. And you simply need to connect, follow, mint this NFT, which by the way is free, no transaction costs, no fees, no MetaMask fees, no nothing, completely free. And that is all you have to do. This NFT over here, this Skate Rebel NFT, will allow you to then be entered into the next step of this testnet, which we will go moving forward. But you will only be able to do it with the Skate Rebel NFTs over here. More tasks are gonna come, so you can go and follow them on Twitter, as we said, to learn more about them. And if there is anything new, you have the possibility to go and simply follow them over on here. They're taking it seriously. They are the SEAB official. They're showcasing on Southeast Asia, as we see over here. Their CEO was speaking modular blockchain also at the event, which is nice to see. So they are moving forward and they're doing it quite nicely. Second of all, we got Multisync. Now, Multisync is for example, a Grass airdrop, which we're gonna go and talk about it later, but it is a Grass version airdrop. So all you have to do is to simply sign up and collect points. As of right now, there is no extension to download. There is no, you gotta stay on this website to download. Absolutely not. All you have to do is to simply go and sign up, and that is about it. It's a point system, and we are at the very early stages. So as of right now, you are earning 50,000 points as sign up, 10x your point multiplier, because we are the very first people to enter this. So that's why their rewards are very high, because you are the very first people to go and enter this project. So make sure to go and check them out. And what is this Multisync over here? Well, let's go over to their their Twitter, and we're gonna go and find out more, which is like this. So now it's as we said, a Grass version 2, and it's the missing protocol on the internet. You can go and read more about it on their website. We got the Join the Revolution. You're able to sign up and start earning the rewards instantly. It's basically a network of computer laptops. And we see here that we get 50,000 points per sign up bonus, everybody, 10x multiplier. And there is a referral point system as well, but it goes gradually down as the time progresses. So right now we are into the announcement phase, which is the very first stage. Then there is the testnet phase. So make sure to join now with the announcement phase. And it is a deep in infrastructure for the synchronization of everything. We are a decentralized, low latency synchronization network, allowing individuals to monetize their surplus internet connection by selling bandwidth to developers, creating unified experience on the internet. This is how it works, and it connects syncers and coders. As of right now, you don't see any difference, and you will not see any difference. And I found this out from one person over on Twitter that I do trust and I do follow a lot. His name is Blur over here. He is the guy that I do follow and got, nice reputation, followed by very important people. He has a very good reputation. So I do trust him a lot, and he's the one that I found this project from. Next up, we're gonna be talking about Tabi airdrop, and also this one is absolutely free. Now I know if you're one of those that is about to say the Tabi airdrop is finished, this and that, you're still able to collect points, you're still able to collect feathers, you're still able to complete missions, and you're still able to even go and be able to open this chest as time progresses. So I don't consider it being over. Is until the day that you're able to do missions on testnet, free, everything. Just by simply signing up, doing these quests, which are simply liking on Twitter, retweeting, following them, Discord, Trade Marketplace Marina over here. You can go buy an NFT and sell NFTs and receive more rewards. I still think that this one is not over. So until the day that Tabi says, listen up, testnet is over, we're done. There is still time to farm this airdrop, and do not miss it out. It will be linked down in the description below. Next up, we're talking about CEVEX over here. Now, we talked about this for months, and I was ranked number 1. Now, of course, people with hundreds of thousands of followers over on Twitter decided to catch up and say, oh, this CEVEX exchange is great, so I'm no longer ranked number 1, unfortunately, but I guess I'm having a nice battle with them. But the link is down below, and all you have to do is simply sign up and you start collecting experience points. And what you have to do now is very simple. We can go over here to, you got achievements that you need to unlock. And if you wanna get the same achievement as of me, pause the video here, look at what this one is, the criteria that you need to get to review. So pause the video, get the achievements, all of this, you can go and get them for yourself if you want, and then go back. And how to get these achievements, you need to go over here to the trading terminal testnet and simply utilize all of this. For example, there is one achievement here that I'm missing, which potentially could be the Cancellator Connoisseur. What does it mean? Well, it potentially means that all I have to do is, by the way, let's go on the Arbitrum Sefolia, for example, over here. It's all on Sefolia testnet. What I have to do is simply put a buy order, a limit buy, or a sell order, whatever you want. And by interacting with this protocol, you have the possibility to always be, there ready to go and get the token, be able to farm these achievements as well. A lot of the achievements are like, open longs, open shorts, all of that. So one of the achievements that I still need to go and earn is the cancellation achievement, which potentially could be into simply, you don't know what you need to do. So one thing could be to simply cancel the order, have a 50 cancel order for, so to say, 25 cancel orders, something like that. So all you have to do for this airdrop is to simply go and interact as much as possible with the protocol. Go and create order, sell orders, cancel them, buy them. Also utilize also this bottom over here, the reduce only, the post only, increase the contract address, go and decrease it. Make sure to go and utilize every little details that you gotta do. And once you utilize it for a while, come back here and see whether or not you were able to go and unblock one of these achievements. For example, the cancellation, we still need to go over here. We got the Evergreen Enthusiast. So submit 25 good till cancel orders. So we got another achievements. So make sure to go and do them and simply keep on farming these achievements, because this will be a very, very huge airdrop in my opinion. Absolutely, yes. Next up, we got the grass airdrop over here, which we're still farming points. We're farming points on a daily. This is mostly due to referral for me. So I will be giving away also my part of my Tabi airdrop allocation. I will be giving away to my Patreon member. So if you want to, it's simply to sign up. It's free to sign up. There's going to be an allocation for the free members and an allocation for the paid members. So if you wish to support me, thank you very much. Otherwise, also free members have the possibility to win this. And simply join through the link down below, install it, and let it run. Simply gotta leave this page running in the background if you want, or this one running in the background, and you will earn your rewards. Next up, we got another one. This is not 100% free, but it's a simple action that you gotta take, and it's a simple free action. And if you have some Celestia token delegated over on Keplr and you're staking them and you're delegating them, the stake drop for the Prism airdrop over here, which you also need to go and register for their airdrop. The link for the registration will be down below, and I will leave you this link over here to go and delegate your token. It's not free in terms that it is free if you already are staking Celestia token and you don't even know which validator you're using. To earn this airdrop, you simply need to delegate the TIA token to the Prism validator, which is absolutely simple. I've already done it. Simply log into your wallet over here and you're able to go and unstake and stake your asset. As you see here, I did already stake all of my assets with the Prism stake drop, and this will give us the possibility to earn the token airdrop from Prism. This is all you have to do. If you got some delegation token, make sure to go and, if you got some tokens, staking on Keplr wallet, whether it is Osmos, Luna, Celestia, Dimension, Injective, or Atom, go and delegate them and you're able to receive this airdrop. And last but not least, this is the Pac-Moon airdrop, which is very, very nice. And yes, it is mostly for creators in terms that you need to create content for Pac-Moon and post it on Twitter. And the more impression you've got on your post, the more point allocation you will receive later on. So if you do have any creativity. I do create videos, I do post video about Pokemon. So I do also the segment, I put them on Twitter. I do create some sort of activities also on my profile. For example, over here I got this video of Pokemon with 7.8 thousand impressions. Of course, we got some big players as well, which is impossible to compete, but you could still receive a little allocation for this, and it is free to do. All you do is simply to create content, post it on Twitter, and that's about it. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments down below which one you prefer, and I'll see you all in the next video of today. So stay tuned, and thank you very much. Ciao, ciao, guys.